Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a poll in Discord. So open a browser and open this website top.gg and search here simple poll. Scroll down and here you'll find this simple poll bot. Click on invite and select here your server, continue, authorize, and ensure that you're not a robot. And I'm gonna opening my server here, and here you can see the bot has been added. And now let's see how to create a poll using this bot. So first of all, type here /poll and click on poll. Enter here quotation mark and type here your text or poll question. And after finishing your poll question, again give a quotation mark and give a space and again give quotation mark, and now type here your poll option, again quotation mark and space. And that's how you can add more than one options on your poll. And after that, hit on enter and your poll will be created. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.